Center of the road we see the borewell. To its left and in the area where the tractor is still ploughing, we'll have one large muddy all at one level for rice, Bahurupi rice. The far end is all cleared up of stones and shrubs, and this ploughed land that we see here is place for two muddies. The upper area can be, you can have things like lemon. Lower area, practically anything can be grown, so we'll decide. Lemon should not have stagnant water, so the higher land is suitable for that. So we'll have two muddies here, and over here one muddy has been plown, and here is another place for another muddy till we reach the southwest corner, which will not be usable till summer because the land is very wet because of all the topsoil that has been brought in from the lake and put there before we bought the land.